I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can send attachment on your Google. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. So for this to send attachment, what you need to do is click on compose because you have to send an email to somebody in order to attach something to the email. Click on compose and then write the email of the person to whom you want to send the attachment. So I want to send a file to this person, and over here on the subject I'm going to write file sending. Now you can write anything you want, alright? So just for an example of this video, I'm writing file sending. Now over here at the bottom, click on the third option like first line, second line, and the third line. Over here you want to click on this pin looking thing which says attach file if you hover your mouse on top. Click on it and then your desktop will open up, and from your desktop you can choose whichever folder you want or file you want to send. So I want to send this little random screenshot to my friend. And remember, you can only attach low MB file, like you cannot go above 2 MB. If a file is above 2 MB, you cannot send it. You need to use Google Drive and other methods to send it, alright? So over here, you can only attach files that are really small in size. After you attach it, it's going to show up over here. If you want to write something, you can write it and just click on send, and the file will be sent to the person and the receiver is going to receive it just like this. So yeah, that is how you guys can send attachment on your Gmail. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.